Hi, I'm Deputy Yvonne Daniels. Did you know that identity theft is the fastest growing financial crime within the United States? Just last year, the IRS paid out over $3 billion in fake tax refunds. You don't want that to happen to you. First, never give out your Social Security number to anyone unless you have a very good reason for doing so. Remember, guys, your Social Security number is valuable and it's often the key piece of information that's needed to get your tax refund. Second, if you choose to let someone else prepare your taxes, make sure you do your research. Make sure that person is a reputable tax preparer, someone that you trust. Some thieves have falsely identified themselves as tax professionals. And last, if you're entitled to a refund this year, you might want to consider getting the direct deposit instead of traditionally getting a check in the mail. Oftentimes you get your money back faster and you don't have to worry about the hassle of someone stealing your check in the mail. Let's recap. Safeguard your Social Security number, use a reputable person to prepare your taxes, and if you're due to have a refund this year, consider using direct deposit to claim your refund. If you have any further questions, please contact us here in the Crime Prevention Unit. Our number here is 747-3011, extension 2500, or you can also contact us on the web, manateesheriff.com. Again, I'm Deputy Yvonne Daniels, and always think safety first.